What's the best way to mount light bars on an aluminum body Dodge Ram 45 truck without drilling holes, potentially voiding the lease agreement or lowering resale value? By installing the Larson Electronics vehicle mounting plate. Our no-drill solution is weatherproof and wind resistant. A secure fit prevents water from leaking after installation or extended use. The heavy-duty unit can be used with remote control spotlights, strobe lights, mini light bars, and more. This vehicle mounting plate works with Dodge Ram standard and classic truck models. The Larson Electronics Dodge Ram 4500 light bar plate is offered in several configurations and variations. We offer the 24-inch by 12-inch model for 360-degree rotating light bars, such as cop lights, security lights, and more. For linear light bars, we recommend the 50-inch by 8-inch vehicle mounting plate. The extra space makes the model suitable for spotlights, floodlights, and large light bars. This mounting plate is a must for aluminum body trucks as well as steel body vehicles. If you're looking for a permanent mounting solution, we offer that too without the steel plate. Our Dodge Ram 4500 light bar plates are in stock and ready to ship. Check out our selection at larsonelectronics.com. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.